Hello everyone, I'm Crypto Nobes. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at the latest big news to do with Stellar Lumen. We're also going to be taking a look at price analysis as well as a few other big things. So if you guys like anything I bring to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button or share the video for more. Let's see if we can get this video over 250 likes. I also want to know down below, what price do you think XLM could be by the end of 2021? With that, let's jump straight into the video. So we'll start off by taking a look at the market as a whole. Overall, the market is still looking very strong. Over the past week, we have seen some very good price action. I personally think up until the end of the year, we may see one or two more slight corrections, but after that, that is when the real fun will begin. Bitcoin is at $19,129, Ethereum is at $595, XRP is at 62 cents, Chainlink is at $13.92, Polkadot is at $5.45, Cardano is at 15 cents, and Stellar Lumen is at 18 cents. But in today's video, we are going to be taking a look at the latest news to do with Stellar Lumen, so let's start off with its price. Stellar is currently up 1.6% over the last 7 days, but it is up an incredible 146% over the last 30 days. If I show you its chart on the 7-day, as you can see here, Stellar basically bottomed at 15 cents, and since then we have been in a very bullish direction. We are now heading into a sideways direction, so I personally think we are waiting for Bitcoin to break its all-time high, and then after that, that is when the real fun will begin. As you can see here, if we show you on the 30-day, not much action happening at all for Stellar, but there have been some very good buying opportunities, and since then we have been in a very bullish direction. Will it continue going into 2021? I want to know your thoughts down below. We're now going to take a look at the first article to do with Stellar, and this article says, Stellar Lumen, adoption is growing fast as more than 800 companies use XLM blockchain. Token XLM, based on the Stellar Lumens, registers an all-time high in number of corporation entities that hold and use it. More than 250 companies from various industries publicly admit that they are using the XLM token. During 2020, Stellar Lumens has achieved some of the most important partnerships in its history, from becoming one of the 3 blockchains that will host the stablecoin USDC to becoming part of the expansion of cross-border payments in Africa. The adoption of Stellar Lumens is growing fast. One of the most successful tokens issued on Stellar Lumens is the XLM token. Launched in March 2018 by the XLM coin, part of the Secure LC Limited, XLM is an asset created for exporters, importers, manufacturers and global sales agencies. It has been designed to settle international business-to-business transactions instantly, to enable quick exchange to fiat and other cryptocurrencies, and to enable online shopping with XLM accepting merchants. Among other features, according to its white paper, XLM was created as a means to overcome the set of transactional problems frequently encountered with the telegraph transfer system, which is commonly used by banks. As a highly convenient alternative, XLM is a transaction platform that provides faster, more secure and less expensive cross-border transactions. As the chart below shows, the adoption of XLM has been increasing and has surpassed its all-time high of investors holding it. Since 2019, XLM has seen sustained growth in those terms, currently reaching over 800 entities using XLM to settle their transactions. And it says down here, companies that have adopted token XLM based on Stellar Lumens. Among the corporate entities that trade with XLM to arrange their international payments is Pax Health Safety, a manufacturer, importer and exporter that creates medical equipment to protect specialised personnel. They have worked for the United Nations and governments around the world. In addition to the corporate entities mentioned, there is a list of over 250 companies that have publicly adopted XLM. These include the energy, entertainment, telecommunications and construction sectors, among others. So overall, this is really good news for Stellar. They are growing at a very fast pace. They have also been one of the best looking cryptocurrencies out there during the bad times in the market, and I personally think 2021 is going to be an incredibly bright year for quite a lot of cryptocurrencies. This is the next article I want to show you, and it says Stellar Lumen, Akoin ready for mass adoption in mega project. The Akoin is used in its first test run to be able to pay for goods and services with the AKN token. The cryptocurrency Akoin is based on the Stellar Lumen blockchain and was selected due to the technical infrastructure of the network. The crypto-savvy rapper Akoin has launched a project that has recently made great progress. In the medical and technology city in Kenya, there is a hospital with 5,000 beds and accommodating over 35,000 people. To ensure that all patients have access to financial services, the Akoin was created. The Akoin is based on the Stellar Lumens blockchain. At the MMTC, the companies will also be connected to the new network so they can pay with Akoin in supermarkets as well as the gas station. In the new update, Akoin announced that a first test run will be carried out, where selected residents of MMTC and companies will be able to pay for goods and services with Akoin. In addition, salary will also be paid in the form of AKN token. By the end of next year, more than 20,000 workers should be connected to the network and all retail stores should be able to accept the Akoin. Also, airports, gas stations as well as institutions of the public life are to use the new cryptocurrency. According to the Akoin co-founders, more than 30,000 transactions are expected to process via the network by the end of November. And it says down here, we've been ready for this, we've been working week in, week out with the Akoin team, we're expecting an initial 30,000 transactions next month, in November. Now, I personally first heard of Akoin when Akoin went on the Joe Rogan podcast and started talking about the future plans that he was doing. Now we are seeing progress at an unbelievable scale. Stellar Lumen is the blockchain that it is hosted on, and I personally think that with the growth that the cryptocurrency is doing over the next few years, we're going to see all sorts of digital payments across the world. Now, with the current financial system that we've had some of the biggest names in the world, Elon Musk, etc. They've all said that comparing the cryptocurrency market to what is happening now, there is no comparison to which one's a winner. It's just a case of now that we have to be slightly more patient to be rewarded tremendously for our efforts. Cryptocurrency over the past year has grown a tremendous amount. We've had some of the biggest names in the world and companies in the world change their mind and now buy it, and we're now seeing a tremendous amount of adoption happening very slowly. I think in the next few months we are going to see an incredible amount of FOMO, and we're going to see all-time highs for quite a lot of these cryptocurrencies. It's very exciting times ahead, but I want to know your thoughts down below. What do you think is going to happen next year? We're now going to take a look at a quick little price analysis to do with Stellar, and this one says, failure of the bulls to push the price above the downtrend line attracted profit booking in Stellar Lumens on December 1st. However, the bears are not able to sustain the lower levels as seen from the long tail on the candlestick. The inside day candlestick pattern today suggests indecision among the bulls and the bears about the next directional move. If the bulls again fail to propel the price above the downtrend line, a deeper correction to the 20-day EMA 15 cents is possible. This suggests that the sentiment is positive and the bulls may buy the dips to the 20-day EMA. A strong rebound of this level could keep XLM/USD pair range bound for a few days. A break above this downtrend line will signal strength and could result in a retest of the November 25th high at 23 cents. And if I show you this chart here, the red and green candlesticks is Stellar, the red line is XRP, and the blue line is Bitcoin. Look how closely correlated they are together. On the 15th of November, we had a very nice pump. We ended up seeing XRP and Stellar pump very, very nicely. But then as you can see here, Bitcoin ended up having a bit of a drop. The rest of the market followed. We are now heading into sideways direction. And I personally think we are waiting for Bitcoin to break that all-time high for the rest of the market to unleash its full potential. Some people have been waiting a very long time for this moment that's around the corner. I've personally been waiting 3 years. It has been very stressful, but here we are today. We are more confident than ever, and it does look like cryptocurrency is on our side. PayPal and the other big companies are coming. We are seeing some incredibly big institutions coming into this market, and I don't think it's about to slow down anytime soon. Cryptocurrency as a whole is looking incredibly bullish for next year, and I wish every single one of you the best of luck in this space. To finish off today's video, we're going to be taking a look at what Stellar is for. The Stellar network launched in 2015. Since then, it's been processed more than 450 million operations made by 4 million individual accounts. Large enterprise companies and companies as small as single dev startups have chosen Stellar to move money and access new markets. From the beginning, Stellar has been a cryptocurrency adjacent, but the software has always been intended to enhance rather than undermine or replace the existing financial system. Whereas, say, the Bitcoin network was made for trading only Bitcoins. Stellar is a decentralized system that is great for trading any kind of money in a transparent and efficient way. The Stellar network has a native digital currency, the Lumen, that's required in small amounts for initializing accounts and making transactions. But beyond those requirements, Stellar doesn't privilege any particular currency. It's designed to make traditional forms of money, the money people have been spending and saving for centuries, more useful and accessible. For example, here's what you can do with Stellar. You can create a digital representation of a US dollar. On Stellar, you call this the dollar token, and you can tell the world that whenever someone deposits a traditional dollar with you, you'll issue them one of your tokens. When someone brings you that dollar token back to you, you promise to redeem it in turn for one of the regular dollars in the deposit account. Essentially, you set up a one-to-one ratio relationship between your digital token and traditional dollar. Every one of your tokens out in the world is backed by an equivalent deposit, so while people hold the tokens, they can treat them like traditional money, because they know they've been exchangeable for traditional money in the end. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have here the official Crypto Noobs Patreon. We have 2 memberships at the moment. We have the Little Supporter membership, where you can support me making more videos for you guys, and you'll be entered into monthly giveaways. We also have here the Diamond membership, where if you need any help at all with your cryptocurrency, whether you're new, just getting started, or you're struggling, I can help you to the best of my ability that you need, as well as 24/7 support and a personal thank you on my YouTube channel. Our aim is to try and build one of the strongest crypto communities out there. If you want to check it out, I'm going to leave a link in the description and in the pinned comments down below. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is absolutely everything I've got for you in today's video. If you have enjoyed anything I've brought to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more. Let's see if we can smash that 250 like target, and don't forget to leave your thoughts and opinions down below. Ladies and gentlemen, I've been Crypto Nobes. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Peace.